How to fix memory management blue error in Windows. 1. Run SFC scanner. 2. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. 3. Update your drivers. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Revert your PC settings to default. 5. Run a full malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Update your OS. 7. Clean your temporary files and folders. 8. Check your disk. Potential errors. 9. Remove recently installed software. 10. Check for programs causing memory leaks via Windows Clean Boot. 11. Manually increase virtual memory. 12. Run system restore, if you can.